Hey there, friend. If you're on a weight loss journey and want to actually see your progress, stay motivated, and maybe even have a little fun along the way, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use my weight loss tracker, and guess what? I'm also giving you my habit tracker for free. Yep, totally free. So if you're ready to make tracking your weight loss easier and way more motivating, let's jump right in. When you first open up the spreadsheet, here's what you'll see. One, an instructions tab. This tab gives you a quick and simple guide on how everything works. There's also a link to this video right there, just in case you ever need a refresher. 2, the main sheet tab, which is named Weight Loss Tracker. This is the main space where all the magic happens and where you'll track your progress over time. Switching between the tabs is super easy. Just look at the bottom of the spreadsheet, click on the tab you want to open, and if you want to go back to a previous tab, just click on it again. Simple as that. Now let's set up your weight loss tracker. Step 1, set your start date. Double-click this cell, pick the date you're starting your journey, and the tracker will automatically calculate your end date 12 months later. No math, no stress. Step 2, select your gender. Just pick your gender, and the visuals in the tracker will update to match. A little personalization never hurts, right? Step 3, choose your measurement system. Do you use pounds and inches or kilograms and meters? Choose your preference and the whole tracker will adjust, including BMI calculations, all automatic. Step 4, enter your height. Add your height using the system you picked. For example, if you're 5'3", that's 63 inches, or about 1.6 meters. You can use Google to convert it quickly if you're not sure. Step 5, set your goal measurements. Now it's time to enter your goal weight and your target measurements for different body parts. If you're using the metric system, just put your measurements in centimeters. The tracker will still calculate everything perfectly. Step 6, plan your rewards. This part's fun. You'll set 10 goal weight levels and choose a reward for each one. Like if your first goal is to drop 5 pounds and hit 180, maybe you treat yourself to a new skincare product. Whatever reward you pick will automatically show up in your stair chart as a visual motivator. Step 7, enter your first month's measurements. This is where your journey officially starts. Log your starting weight and all the measurements listed. Make sure to use the units displayed at the top so everything stays consistent. And from there, let the tracker take over. How it works. 1, you'll measure yourself once a month on the listed dates. Don't worry, they auto-update for the full 12 months. 2, all charts and visuals update automatically, so no fiddling with anything. Three, you'll see your progress with pie charts, bar graphs, and breakdowns by body part. Four, at the very top, you can check how much you've lost in each body area. 5, your BMI will also update live and show if you're underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. 6, Watch your little runner icon move up the ladder with every milestone. When you reach your goal, it finishes the race. And lastly, you'll also earn badges along the way, with a final badge waiting for you at your end goal. It's basically like turning your weight loss journey into a fun little game one where you're winning every month. Now that the weight tracker is set up, let's head over to the free habit tracker that comes with it. This next part is such a fun bonus. If you grab the weight loss tracker, then surprise, you also get access to a free habit tracker. So in this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to use the habit tracker step by step. Whether you're working on sleep, stress, fitness, or anything else, you'll love how easy this is to use. Here's what you'll see when you open the spreadsheet. 1. An instructions page. Just like before, you'll get a simple guide explaining how to use the tracker. 2. A bonus goal-setting page. You'll find a yearly goals page where you can list out the big things you want to achieve. Check a box when you complete a goal, and it'll get a strike through to mark it as done. Also, the dates and calendar automatically update every year, so you're always on track. 3. The main sheet tab, which is named Habit Tracker. This is where everything comes together and where you'll be tracking your daily, weekly, and monthly habits. Now let's set up the habit tracker. Step 1. Set your start date. Double-click the cell at the top and pick the first day of the month you're starting. The whole calendar for that month will show up automatically. No need to fill anything out manually, easy peasy. Step 2. List your daily habits. Now type in the habits you want to track every day. As soon as you tuck them in, the checkboxes appear like magic. Step 3. Set your rewards. Scroll to the right side of the sheet and decide what reward you'll give yourself if you stick with each habit for the full month. Each habit can have its own reward, whether it's a cheat meal, a new book, or a guilt-free Netflix binge, you decide. Step 4. Fill in the well-being tracker. You'll also track how you're feeling throughout the month. 1. Set your daily sleep goal, how many hours you want to get. 2. Rate your mood from 0, bad day, to 10, amazing day. 3. Track your energy levels from 0 to 10. 4. And your stress from 0, totally chill, to 10, totally stressed out. This helps you spot patterns and take care of your overall well-being, not just your habits. Step 5. Weekly habits. Got habits that only happen once a week? You can list them here and track them over 4 weeks. Super helpful for things like meal planning or weekly check-ins. Step 6. Monthly habits. These are things you do just once a month. You'll enter them into the 4 different life categories listed: skincare, finances, relationships, career, or any other area you want to improve. How it all works. 1. Every time you complete a habit, just tick the checkbox and the tracker does the rest. Your bar charts and progress stats update automatically. 2. If you complete a habit every day for a week, you earn a star. It's a little reward for being consistent. 3. Your well-being scores also update daily as you log sleep, mood, energy, and stress. This gives you an overall picture of how you're really doing, not just how many boxes you tick. Four, for weekly and monthly habits, just check them off once you've done them. They'll turn gray and get a strike through, and the pie charts will update in real time. Lastly, you can also track your overall progress over on the right side of the sheet. Perfect for a quick motivation boost. And just so you know, the annual version of this habit tracker works the exact same way, just stretched across the full year instead of 1 month. To get your hands on these trackers, just click the link in the description. You'll be able to choose either the weight loss tracker with the monthly habit tracker or the annual version, whatever fits your needs. And that's it. You now have a weight loss tracker to keep you focused and a habit tracker to help you stay consistent and take care of yourself along the way. Everything's fully automated, beautifully designed, and honestly, just fun to use. If this helped you out, give the video a like, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what habits are you working on right now? I'd love to hear. Thanks so much for watching. Go grab your trackers now and let's make this journey fun and totally successful. You've got this.